Last year, my nectarine tree had lots of fruit, but dropped 50% prematurely. The remaining fruit shriveled up and turned brown. What is going on? This season, I am already seeing drop and early signs of the cycle repeating. Is there any hope for saving these fruits, or should I just prune and treat the tree for next season? And this is from Deanna via YouTube. Nectarine tree, dropping 50% prematurely. But here's the key word, folks. The fruit shriveled up and turned brown.
Brown.
Right. And I've heard Mr. D on this set say time and time again about peaches, plums, and nectarines. Number one disease is
Brown rot.
Brown rot.
Yeah, and so that's what I'm wondering. She wants to prune it, but I don't know if pruning is going to help that. It's more of a fungicide treatment and a program.
Right.
So I don't know what her program has been.
Right.
And does she have a local area extension publication on fruit tree spraying in her area?
Again, she needs that spray schedule guide to help her out with that.
They will help greatly and give her the chemicals that she needs to use. And
it's going to have to be a fungicide.
It's going to have to be a fungicide.
Like you mentioned, for sure.
But you know, the fruit trees, the plums dropping, the nectarines dropping prematurely, that could be something environmental and or pollination problem too.
Could be.
Because if it's not pollinated properly, it'll drop that fruit also.
Well, that was my problems. I had some fruit trees, and I finally decided it was a pollination problem. So I did something, I don't know if it was right or wrong, but I put a beehive in my backyard. Next thing you know, I had to support all my branches with 2x4s to keep them from falling and breaking with so much fruit on them.
Yeah, so pollination makes a difference. Those bees, I tell you, what helpers they are.
I would still have it there. Then I found out my neighbor's allergic to bees, so I had to get rid of it.
But it helps. Okay? It helps the pollinators for sure. And we will have that spray guide on our website.
Yes.
Right. So yeah, that will definitely help. But it will have to be a fungicide application.
Yes.
Okay, and that information will be on that spray guide. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.